Alright, so I am in sunny California. We have some Kings Area Rural Transit buses over there, and we got Amtrak train number 717, I believe going north, is arriving into Hanford station. Yep. Toot toot. When the doors open up. Let's see if I can get to the front before the train leaves. This is one of the last trains of the day. That's why there's a lot of people crowding it. Door not open. One of the other cars. And then a crossing gate all the way over there. Where's the zoom bit? There we go. It went up because the train stopped.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a last and final boarding call. Last and final boarding call for 717. Last and final call. Doors will be closed.
Here goes the doors. Just give it a second. Babe! Doors don't have a chime. Burp, burp, burp. Oh great, look, they had to play chicken with the crossing. He didn't use the DTM, I don't think he used the DTMF. I believe this is San Joaquins, California Department of Transportation, Amtrak, California. Relatives are in California. Cab car. Well, that's as far as I can zoom in. These are some very busy tracks here in Hanford, California. Smoker. There goes to Bakersfield. And that's it.